So yung main goal talaga natin sa EcoOp vote system is to help our cooperative partners na magkaroon ng modernized system that will streamline their voting process, making it more accessible, efficient, and convenient for their voters. And to talk about yung primary advantages ng paggamit ng EcoVote system is una dyan, of course, yung accuracy. So ito yung isa sa primary advantage ng EcoVote system natin, which yung EcoVote system kasi natin tends to be more accurate than the traditional voting system. And on the other hand, there's always a potential for human errors, ganyan, especially with the paper ballots, ganyan, and especially dun sa miscounting ng votes or mixing up ng mga ballots. So, but with the EcoVote system kasi, the votes are tallied automatically. So, there's no chance for human error, giving voter a peace of mind knowing na yung votes nila were counted accurately. And another advantage is faster result siya. So, EcoVote kasi can process and count yung votes quickly. So, and can rapidly tabulate yung result as soon as yung voting period ay mag-end. So, reducing the time and labor required for manual counting, mga ganyan, and auditing. Unlike traditional voting system kasi, minsan yung mga members is usually pumupunta sa mga polling station, kailangan nilang mag-wait in line and cast their votes during specific window of time, ganyan. And counting ng paper ballots kasi can be time consuming, and which sometimes results to a not available after minsan kapag nakompleto na yung counting process, yung results is hindi agad-agad nakukuha. And then last advantage nung ating EcoVote system is with regards dun sa transparency. So si EcoVote system kasi is nag-offer siya ng real-time election result tracking. So each vote casted is recorded and timestamped, so leaving a clear and tamper-evident digital record. So this transparency ensures na yung vote ng mga voter is natitrace back and contributing dun sa integrity ng process. So members can confirm na yung votes nila has been received and counted correctly, thereby enhancing their trust in the process. I mentioned nga kanina na yung transparency offers a real-time election result tracking, which is a feature po ni EcoVote system that will help build trust talaga in the election process by allowing voters to verify and see themselves na yung votes nila were counted accurately, reducing yung risk ng fraudulent activities. So as I've mentioned earlier nga kanina, di ba, yung main goal ng ating EcoVote system is to help our cooperative partners na magkaroon ng isang modernized system na that will streamline their voting process. So, using EcoVote, voting is now more accessible kasi sa mga members ng ating kooperatiba, including yung mga members na hirap maka-attend sa mga polling stations during elections. EcoVote system allows member to cast their votes from the comfort of their homes or workplaces, eliminating yung need na mag-travel papunta dun sa polling stations or yung polling locations natin, making it more easier sa mga members to participate regardless of their locations, and can even encourage a higher voter turnout. And in terms doon sa may cost-saving benefits kay co-op, since EcoOp vote system is a web-based voting system, hindi na kailangan pang mag-produce ni co-op ng mga paper ballots or for example voter guides or other printed materials, which is makakapag-less talaga sila ng cost with regards doon. And hindi na nila kailangan pang mag-rent ng mga polling stations or locations, which is minsan sobrang costly nun. And lastly, in terms of labor cost, hindi na rin nila kailangan pang mag-hire ng mga additional workforce or manpower, since EcoVote kasi was created to streamline nga yung voting process natin. Ayan, so na-mention ko nga kanina yung regarding dun sa transparency nung isang advantage ni EcoOp vote, which is yung sa transparency natin, which it offers a real-time election result nga tracking na kung saan yung each vote na nakakast ng mga voter is recorded and time-stopped. Ibig sabihin, every time na nagvo-vote yung mga members, automatically nare-record na yon. And every time na nare-record yon, meron kasi tayong election result tracking. Doon nakikita na agad ng mga members kung ilan na yung mga vote na pumasok and ilan pa yung mga votes na hindi pa pumapasok. And siyempre, yung mga members is nako-confirm nila na yung mga votes nila is talagang nare-receive and naka-counted correctly, thereby enhancing yung trust ng system sa mga members po natin. So since with regards dun sa increased member engagement and participation, na-mention ko din kanina na yung e-co-op vote natin is now more accessible sa mga members ng kooperatiba, which is mas nakaka-attend na sila or nakakapag-vote na sila kahit nasa bahay lang sila, or for example sa mga remoted areas na hindi talaga makakapunta dun sa polling locations. So kahit nasa bahay lang sila is nakakapag-vote na sila. So it is more easier for members to participate talaga doon sa election, and which can even encourage a higher voter turnout. And as of the moment, we had already successfully implemented 5 cooperatives since the deployment ng ating system, which is una dyan na na-implement natin is si TechSense Multipurpose Cooperative, si Online Microsellers, si Telecommunication Multipurpose Cooperative o si Telemco. And this year lang meron tayong dalawang na-implement, successfully na-implement, which is si Valenzuela Development Cooperative and lastly si Tamaan Banawe Multipurpose Cooperative. And very glad that we were able to supply the needs of our cooperative in terms of streamlining their voting process, and we were able to also to promote digitalization within cooperatives. And with regards doon sa increase in member engagement, we have one co-op that will support that, and that is Tamaan Banawe Multipurpose Cooperative. I think based doon sa naging voter turnout nung last implementation is mas tumaas yung voter turnout compared to their election last year. So, yun. Since technology is rapidly changing or evolving, cooperative really need to adapt in this digital age. So in terms dun sa scalability ng e-co-op vote system, si e-co-op vote system naman is flexible to accommodate a large number of participants. Since ang co-op kasi minsan nag-expound yan, nag-establish ng new branches. So, ibig sabihin, mas madaming branches, mas madaming members, mas madaming voters na pwedeng maging voter. Let's say, more and more people gain access doon sa internet and digital devices. So e-co-op vote system talaga is a smart choice for cooperative. Unlike traditional paper-based system, which sometimes struggle to keep up with the changes na nangyayari sa dito, kailangan talaga, for example, yung kailangan pa nilang mag-create ng mas madaming paper ballots or magdagdag ng polling stations or mag-add ng extra stuff or workforce can make scaling up costly. And e-co-op vote system kasi can adapt to the changing landscape nung system natin without sacrificing yung integrity and efficiency ng voting process. So in a world where technology is constantly changing, online voting or yung e-co-op voting system natin ensures na yung cooperatives and organization ay hindi naleleft behind. So kailangan din nilang mag-keep up dun sa digitalization age natin. So they remain prepared for future challenges both in terms of technology and regulation. So this adaptability and scalability nung e-co-op system natin allows yung co-op to efficiently engage dun sa mga members nila, and especially dun sa decision-making process, which is to be more accessible, convenient, and responsive. Since ngayon nga is nasa digital age na tayo, which continuously nag-evolve or rapidly evolving, so e-co-op vote system will play an increasing role in shaping the future of election or democracy and cooperative governance.